Good morning, grade 3. Our lesson for today is about adverbs of manner. Have you experienced flying a kite? Let us read the story and learn more about kite flying. A Wonderful Day by Chona A. Barakias. It was a Saturday morning. It was a perfect day to fly a kite. The sun was shining brightly. The wind was blowing gently. It was just the day that Jomel, Jokjok, and Kylie had been waiting for. They had designed and made the kite themselves. It took them hours to finish it, and they could not wait any longer to see it fly. The three boys raced excitedly to the park. Jomel runs fast while slowly releasing the string that was tied to the kite. Steadily, the kite rose. Soon it was high enough. Both boys expertly maneuvered their kite. Jokjok took control of the kite whenever the wind blew strongly. It stayed up for a long time. Now, from the story, which word describes the following? Number 1, how the sun was shining. Number 2, how the wind was blowing. Number 3, how Jokjok, Jomel, and Kylie raced to the park. And number 4, how Jomel ran and released the string. I know that your answers would be brightly, gently, excitedly, fast, and slowly. They are all called adverbs. The adverbs above are adverbs of manner. They describes how the action is done. Let's study the chart below. Adjective, bright. Then brightly, adverb. Gentle, adjective. Gently, adverb. Excited, adjective. Excitedly, adverb. Busy, adjective. Busily, adverb. But take note that not all adverbs of manner end in ly. Example: Ferdy studies well. How does Ferdy study? Well. Jimmy runs fast. How does Jimmy run? Fast. They work hard. How do they work? Hard. The adverb well, fast, and hard don't end in ly, but they are all adverb of manner. Adverbs should be placed properly in sentences. Example: the sun was shining brightly. Number 2, Jomel diligently studies his lesson. In the above examples, the adverbs of manner are placed before or after the verbs they describe in the sentences. Another example: we played tag of war at PE time today. We pulled the rope hard. In the above example, the adverbs of manner, hard, comes after the noun rope, the object or the receiver of the action pulled. And our opponents pulled back intensely. While in this example, the adverbs of manner intensely come after the verb pulled back. In the last example, we went back to our classrooms quietly. In this example, the adverbs of manner quietly comes at the end of the sentence. Thank you, Grade 3, for listening, and God bless you. See you again